If you're a local service business and you're running Google Ads, this one simple change could easily double, if not even triple, the conversion rate of your campaigns. So let's head over to my screen and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are. We're in the back of the Google Ads platform, and this is a pool enclosure company. They install pool enclosures in Florida. And basically, with these two campaigns up here, these were original campaigns that had been running for many, many years. And this one right here is the one that I created at the end of November. So we've been running a fair bit of traffic now for a little over a month. So we got a bit of data here. And what I wanted to show you was this, okay, the conversion rate, okay? So conversion in this case is a phone call from an ad, a phone call from a website, or the lead form on the website has been submitted. Okay, so that's what a conversion is here, right? So if you'll notice, this conversion rate for this campaign is 7.5%. This conversion rate for this campaign is 10.4%. And the one that I created is 22%, right? So why was this one so much better? Okay. Now, all I did really was make one very simple, very easy, but super effective change in my campaign compared to these ones. And that was this. These two campaigns were sending traffic to their homepage. This is their homepage, right? So this is the pool enclosure company sending traffic to a page that, the headline talks nothing about pool enclosures. Yeah, we have a little bit about on the sub headline here, but there's not really a whole lot here that mentions pool enclosures. It has some photos here, but this page is not optimized for Google traffic. It's not optimized for paid traffic in the least. All right. So what did I do? Well, it's simple. And this is what you can do if you're sending traffic to your website. Send your ads to the specific service page. Okay. So all I did was send traffic to the pool enclosures page. That's literally all I did. Right. Again, this page itself is not optimized. In fact, I've created another page for this company, and we're gonna start running some tests here in the next couple of days, and I'll do another video on that later. But just the simple fact of sending paid traffic to a specific service page that or service you provide basically doubled and even tripled that conversion rate. So if you're a local service business and you're running paid ads and you're running those ads to a home page, and just say you're HVAC or electrician or plumber or whatever it may be, run it to a specific service page. So if you're HVAC and you want to do more installations, have an installation service page. If you're a plumber and you want to do more installs for hot water heaters, have just a hot water heater installation page on your website and send traffic to that. And as you can see, the conversion rate difference will be absolutely massive, and it'll completely change how profitable your business is with just one super easy step.